Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel dedicated to the rqti package. With the package, you can create tests based on the QTI 2.1 standard. Detailed documentation for this package can be found in the links provided below this video. Today, in this tutorial, I will demonstrate how you can use templates available in our rqti package to create an order question. Let's get right into it. To create an order task, you navigate to the order folder in the root directory and choose the file order.rmd. This template shows how we can create the order question. As we can see, the YAML section contains the parameter type that equals the value order. Let's consider the question section in our template. The first line includes the text of the task. In this case, what is the structure of an exam in QTI terms, starting from the top, the exam, to the bottom, individual questions. The next section contains the list of correct answers ordered according to your task. Let's see how this task looks after rendering in Rstudio. To do this, click on it in the management panel. This might take a while. Let's provide an answer. We can order the elements and submit. Great, everything looks fine and we got the maximum score. If we need it again, we can now try what happens if we submit a wrong answer. And we will get the feedback accordingly. This time we only scored 0.5 points. Today in our tutorial we have considered how to quickly and easily create order tasks for the tests using templates. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. We will be happy to answer them. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In the next video, we will tell you how to create directed pair questions and what possibilities our rqti library offers for this. See you soon!